Ooh. What's crack-a-lackin', my dudes? It's me, Pro, and today we're doing another Rubik's Cube solve. I'm sorry yesterday's got cut off short. My mom came home earlier than I thought she would because she was working closer than normal. So, I'm sorry about that. Today's probably also going to be a short one, which makes me feel really bad. But I should get a longer one out soon. It might be over the weekend, it might be this week. I'm not sure. But I wanted to solve Cube in 3x3 today. So that's what I'll be doing. We'll be starting with some 3x3 since we only did 1 or 2 3x3 solves yesterday. And they were both real bad, so sorry about that. Okay. Dang. Tough luck, I guess. My hands are all weird feeling, but that's fine. Let's just set up some pillows so that I'm higher and you can see the cube better. That's better. It's just, that's fine. I'm a short boy, so. I cannot do good. Man, I don't know what's wrong. Oops. Well, 30 is not that bad. 30.65 is not that bad. That's good. If you can't see, I don't think you saw it. I kind of started again too fast. It's 30.65, which isn't that bad, which I've said, but I'm going to say it again. Nice! Sub 30s. Things are getting better. I'm going to do one more. Whew, not great. Now we're going on to Cube, which is right here. I'm starting to like that's really great English. Come on. I'm starting to like Cube some more now that I've done it. So I'm going to probably be doing it more often. I used to do it because it was just a new cube. Now I'm doing it because I actually enjoy it. The reason I look up on Cube is because there's no scramble and I don't want to see what I'm doing. Get any ideas about the solve, so I look away like this. Sometimes I do that. But yeah, I do it for that reason, so I can't see what I'm doing. No, I'm done. I don't even know what I did wrong there. That was kind of frustrating. I was doing good and then I messed up and then I messed up again and then I messed up the third time and then I messed up a fourth time and then I gave up. That's how much stuff happened. Nice. Alright, well it's not actually that nice. It's near to my average, which is terrible. A 43 seconds Cube average. Cube record is like, is it less than a second? I don't know. It's really fast though. Most people like can get like under 10 seconds on it, but not me. not terrible. Not bad at all. At all. At all. Pretty good. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Much better than my first one on this thing, which is yesterday, which is an 1 minute 11 second long solve, which really is not good at all. We're gonna do one more and see if I can get a sub 30 today. Probably not, but maybe. That would be good. My best on here is a 21, which happened yesterday, which is really good. My worst on here is, I already talked about it today. I realized that I'm not actually scrambling him. I'm just doing the same sledgehammer, which is the same moves over and over again. Yes! Woo! 29.92, just barely a sub 30. Well, today was pretty good. Pretty good skew. Okay, 3x3 did bad at first, but then good. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And check out for tomorrow's video. And a video coming up in a few days, which is the Avengers Endgame review. Alright, bye.